Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And in this week's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. This week, I am going to show you how to do a craft that kind of welcomes in the autumn season. So I solicited some help from a friend to create a fall-inspired wreath. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, just keep watching. But before this video is over, it's very important that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is take your pipe cleaner and cut it in half with your wire cutters. Now you'll just get your anchor piece of fabric, deco mesh, or burlap and secure it with a pipe cleaner. And then you are going to gather and then secure using the dividers that are on the ring as your placeholder. Once you've got that first step down, just go ahead and complete the remainder of the ring, and then we'll move on to our next step. Once you've gone all the way around the ring, just go ahead and cut off the tail, and then you'll move to the inner ring and use your next color of deco mesh. Since this is a fall/autumn inspired wreath, I'm using orange to accent my burlap. Time to move on to the decorating. So here we have some sheer fabric, and then we're just gonna make little bows out of this. So you'll fold it in half and then fold the ends so that way you can have cute little tails on the ends. And then you will put a piece of pipe cleaner in the middle, and then you'll twist just like you did before, and then secure it to the inside of the ring, and then separate the tails of the bow that you made. And then you'll just do this all the way around the wreath as you see here. So now, before we do the final decorations, you just want to tuck all of your pipe cleaner that's sticking out on the back of your wreath. So now we're just taking a couple of decorations and just kind of twisting and tucking them in. These are all wire end decorations that I'm using, so they just kind of fold around the ring just like the deco mesh did with the pipe cleaner. And then I got some sunflowers and some leaves and some more like little bead type things that are just gonna fill out the wreath and give it some definition and a pop of color. So that's really it for the decoration, and then you'll just cut off the stems and then fold those down like you did your pipe cleaners. And this is what my wreath looks like on my front door. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.